Hi everyone, welcome to Sun Art Studio. Today we are starting a fun and creative new project. First, I'll sketch my favorite design using a metal pen, and then I turning it to the life by filling the spaces with the watercolor. Let's see how it turns out. At Sun Art Studio, our goal is to make fun and painting simple with a relaxing and enjoyable for everyone. If you enjoy these videos or the other videos we make it before without any voice on it, we have many videos we provided before but doesn't have any sound on it with the different projects. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe us, and share it with your friends. It really supports the channel. And in this way only we can more videos and shows to you how you can create your idea simple on a paper. For today artwork, I'm a simple color using like a red, green with a touch of blue and might be brown a little bit, and that's it. Let's start it. I'm gonna be stop to talking right now and just I focus on my work, and then if I need to say something, I'm gonna be added later. For now I can just quiet. We focus on our line. We make it better a little bit with the strong one. Don't scared of the scratching. Okay, right now I think I look at the composition a little bit, and I think I'm gonna be stopped to design more here. I'm gonna be just added my colors and see how it does work after that. I wait a little bit to my metal pen and ink is get dry, and then I added again a layer of the color, and then again wait, and then again do it again, and layer by layer as usual. Okay. I tried to make wet a little bit my flowers, and then I prepared the red cadmium red. I'm gonna be add and see how it does work. I control my speed, that's very important. make more creative things here. For example, one here, I think I can add it. Yeah, like that is coming. Just follow your eyes to the, you know, to the sides, and just think about that is, you know, it's real in the nature. Nothing is designed by, you know, from before. Everything is in the same time has is not very yeah, how can I say, it's beauty. I mean, why? Because everything is not created very hard. It's just simple. And yeah, be free to add anything, don't be scared, and there is no judgment on it. You can just add it whatever you want, and that's your property. I mean, you can add everything what you want. For example, now I'm gonna be splash a little bit red on my cork, and I'm waiting to this red is get dry completely, and I'm gonna be add more. At the same time, I can add it some red like this on my, you see, I give the texture to my painting. It's totally different now. It's beautiful. I can add some green on it, just give some texture for the background, but with the controlling, not too much, not too less. Yeah, you can control it. I'm waiting to some of them get dry, and then I add another layer on it to make it more close to the nature. I can finish it, my artwork right now here. There is no ending time for any artwork. I mean, you can just, as soon as you start it, you can finish it, or you can just finish it whatever you want and when you think is enough for you to work on it. There is no obligation for starting and closing your artwork. Just we can finish it right now here, and this is our end of our videoing. And enjoy your art project with our video. Don't forget it, if you like it us, just subscribe it, share with your friends, and give us like. Thank you. Have a great day.